Welcome to a city where history, culture, and everyday life blend into one unforgettable experience, right in the heart of Nicosia. A place where ancient walls surround lively streets, and every corner tells a story shaped by centuries of change. From architectural wonders to vibrant local scenes, this destination offers something truly unique. In this video, discover 6 incredible spots that capture the essence of this fascinating capital. Walk through historic streets filled with energy, explore beautifully preserved landmarks, admire stunning architecture, and experience cultural treasures that reflect a rich and diverse heritage. Each stop reveals a different side of the city, from peaceful and reflective to lively and full of life. Get ready to explore a destination where past and present exist side by side, creating moments that feel both timeless and exciting. This journey is all about discovering beauty, history, and culture in one remarkable place. So let's get started. Six, Madari Peak. The Madari Peak offers one of the most breathtaking viewpoints in Nicosia. As one of the highest peaks on the island, it is surrounded by rugged hills, dense pine forests, and sweeping landscapes that stretch across the horizon. The journey to the summit reveals a peaceful natural setting, where the cool mountain air and quiet surroundings create a refreshing escape from the city below. The beauty of Madari Peak lies in its panoramic views and untouched atmosphere. From the top, the landscape unfolds in every direction, revealing layers of mountains, valleys, and distant coastlines under clear blue skies. Sunlight highlights the textures of the terrain, while gentle winds move through the trees, adding to the sense of calm. This combination of elevation, scenery, and serenity makes Madari Peak a truly captivating destination in Cyprus. 5. Buyuk Han. The Buyuk Han stands as one of the finest examples of Ottoman architecture on the island. Built in the 16th century, this historic caravansary once served as a resting place for travelers and merchants. Its grand stone structure, arched entrances, and symmetrical design reflect a sense of timeless elegance, while the large central courtyard creates an open and inviting space filled with character. The beauty lies in its harmonious blend of history and atmosphere. The 2-story galleries that surround the courtyard are lined with traditional rooms that now house small artisan shops, galleries, and cafes. At the center stands a charming mosque-like structure, adding to the cultural depth of the site. Sunlight pours into the courtyard, casting soft shadows across the stone walls and creating a warm and peaceful ambience, transformed into a vibrant cultural hub while preserving its historic soul. The gentle buzz of conversation, the display of local crafts, and the aroma of traditional food bring life to the centuries-old space. This seamless blend of past and present makes not only a historical landmark, but also a living reflection of Nicosia's rich cultural heritage. 4. Ledra. The Ledra is one of the most lively and iconic streets in the city. Lined with a mix of historic buildings and modern shops, the street captures the dynamic spirit of Nicosia, where past and present blend seamlessly. Its pedestrian-friendly layout allows for a relaxed stroll, where every corner reveals a new detail, from charming cafes to colorful storefronts that bring energy and character to the area. The beauty of Ledra Street lies in its constant movement and cultural significance. It is not only a commercial hub, but also a place where different communities and histories meet, reflecting the unique identity of the city. Street performers, local vendors, and the gentle hum of conversation create a vibrant atmosphere that feels both welcoming and authentic. The architecture along the street adds depth, with traditional elements standing alongside contemporary designs. The shops and cafes reflects off the pavement, creating a lively yet cozy ambience. The street becomes a gathering place where people come to walk, shop, and enjoy the city's rhythm. This blend of history, culture, and everyday life. 3. Selimiya Mosque. The Selimiya Mosque is a remarkable blend of Gothic and Ottoman architecture. Originally built as a cathedral, its towering arches, intricate stonework, and soaring interior spaces reflect the grandeur of medieval design. The addition of slender minarets creates a striking contrast, giving the structure a unique identity that tells a story of cultural transformation over centuries. The beauty of Selimiya lies in its dramatic scale and serene atmosphere. Inside, the vast open hall is filled with soft light filtering through tall windows, highlighting the elegant columns and high vaulted ceilings. The simplicity of the interior, combined with its historical depth, creates a calm and spiritual ambience. 2. St. John's Cathedral. The St. John's Cathedral is a remarkable example of refined religious architecture. From the outside, its modest stone facade gives little hint of the richness within, creating a quiet sense of intrigue. Once inside, the space reveals an extraordinary interior adorned with intricate frescoes that cover the walls and ceilings, depicting biblical scenes in vivid detail and color. The St. John's Cathedral lies in its artistic depth and peaceful atmosphere. The soft lighting enhances the golden tones and delicate brushwork of the frescoes, giving the entire space a warm and almost timeless glow. Every corner reflects careful craftsmanship and devotion, creating an environment that feels both intimate and majestic. This harmonious blend of simplicity on the outside and splendor within makes the cathedral one of the most captivating cultural treasures in Nicosia. 1. Leventis Municipal Museum. The Leventis Municipal Museum offers a fascinating journey through the city's rich and layered past. Housed in a beautifully restored building, the museum showcases a wide collection of artifacts, photographs, and exhibits that trace the development of Nicosia from ancient times to the modern era. Each gallery reveals a different chapter of the city's story, bringing history to life through carefully preserved details and engaging displays. The beauty of the Leventis Municipal Museum lies in its ability to connect the past with the present in a meaningful and immersive way. The thoughtfully designed spaces create a calm and inviting atmosphere, allowing visitors to explore at a relaxed pace. From traditional objects to historical documents, every piece adds depth to the narrative of the city's cultural identity. This blend of history, architecture, and storytelling makes the museum a truly enriching experience in the heart of Nicosia. As the journey through the heart of Nicosia comes to an end, the memories of its rich history, vibrant streets, and cultural treasures continue to linger. From ancient architecture to lively urban corners, each stop revealed a unique story that makes this city unlike any other. The blend of tradition and modern life, the quiet charm of historic sites, and the energy of everyday local scenes all come together to create an experience that is both meaningful and unforgettable. It's a place where every moment feels connected to something deeper, shaped by time and culture. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures around the world. More incredible destinations are waiting to be discovered. Until the next adventure, keep exploring and chasing new experiences.